Anyways, awesome, awesome trade right here. Probably gonna put the title as SMT Divergence trade. So let's take a look at this. So we have a little, not little, it's a pretty big downtrend going. This couple of days ago, my bias when I came into the market, I thought it's gonna come back here. It's gonna hit the fair value gap, and I can look for some longs, so it can come down even more or get a nice little trade in. But it disrespected, but so it basically disrespected every single fair value gap that I had set for it, and it just kept pushing down. And whenever it did create a fair value gap, it was an inverse fair value gap. So, if I can find the example, probably not. Yeah, for example, like even this over here, I thought, oh, it might come back, and we might get a little nice short, but it didn't. So, for this trade, I recently learned SMT Divergence, hopped on the market, and I found an SMT Divergence on a 5 minute time frame. And so I logged into the market around 14, which is 2 o'clock London time. And I was just scouting the markets. I went to NQ, NASDAQ. What was it? Yeah, it was this right here. So my bias was bearish until this swing formulated, and then I saw a break of structure, and I knew it was gonna come back and fill all these um, orders, take out all of this liquidity right here. So whenever we zoom in, let's see, this is 1425. This is 1425. Okay, so I saw ES. Let me delete. I'll just move it over here. One second. So ES formulated a fair value gap. The fair value gap, it took liquidity. It came back down here. I would say it disrespected it because whenever it's a very good fair value gap, it usually hits 50% and then just takes the liquidity void, and it goes back up, for example, right? Because we're looking for a retracement to the downside. NASDAQ at that time, it already, so 10 minutes before that, NASDAQ already took the liquidity and it took it all the way down to here. And I was looking for longs because NASDAQ already took liquidity, and whenever we take liquidity to the downside, there is only the we can only go up. So I was looking for some TPs that we can hit and a good position where to enter. And I would say here it was NQ that was lagging. It came down here, it broke structure to the downside, while ES it wait a second. Okay, yeah. So they both broke structures to the downside, but Nasdaq didn't break structure because this is our down candle and this is our lowest level. So it swept liquidity and then it started going up. And I saw on ES that okay, So it was 1430. Yep. I saw N2 started trending up already. Yeah, you see 430. Boom over here. So, and I would say ES was lagging a bit more here. So NQ started trending up, and I was like, okay, it's the matter of time before ES sweeps liquidity, boom, and goes back up. So I went to the 1 minute time frame, and I was looking for longs. I was looking for a break of structure, so then I can just enter off a break of structure. Okay, let's see this. And I personally don't like using SMT Divergence on the 1 minute time frame. I just personally don't like it. Well, I was looking for longs over here. So, right here. Boom, boom. It broke structure. I entered right here. Still remember. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. Take profit 3. Targeting liquidity. They all got hit, which is very nice. It was a very nice trade. For first time using SMT Divergence, it was awesome results. I made 500 off this trade, which is pretty nice. Uh, let me see if I can do something real quick. It's trending down, it's trending up. Boom. 14, 4, 12. And that's it, guys. It was just a pretty quick trade that I took. Uh, and that's it, guys. This was just a pretty quick trade that I took using SMT Divergence, fair inverse fair value gaps. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is how this fair value gap got disrespected to the downside. It came to this order block actually. Boom, boom. So I actually did not see this order block. So you could have gotten a way better position. It would have looked something like this. So let me delete this because I already um, put this trade in my trade journal. So you could have entered on this. Okay, so I just hopped on the chart. I see fair value gap get disrespected. It doesn't come to the 50. It doesn't give any bounce off this level. It comes back all the way to the order block. Let me mark. It's like a little bit above, and it's kind of pissing me off. Turn it back off. Okay, so boom. It comes back down here, takes liquidity. Okay, it's a retracement to the upside because we have a break of structure right here. So now we can, okay, let's wait for a confirmation. Okay, a higher, so a lower low and then a lower high, a higher low and then a higher high. Boom. So let's enter right here. Put our stop loss below the order block. Let's target the liquidity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So around here. Boom. Just a very nice trade. You would have gotten into a better position off this order block. it would have been way lower, a couple of peeps at least. Um, so yeah, that's about it. I haven't looked at the market today, so I'm just gonna raise all my drawings, make myself a cup of coffee, and then see if there's a position that I want to answer. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you till next time.